Lordy Lord. Eastbound side, 67. I see 2 cars, possibly 3. Eastbound gonna be closed for a little bit. Definitely 2. That looked like it may have rolled over. Woo, chihuahua. Oh yeah. If not, it definitely hit that guardrail hard. There goes the residual. Ooh, I'm glad I'm not on that side. Look at all the way up that mountain. All the way up that mountain. Nothing but traffic. Woo! I'm so glad I'm not on that side. Ooh, Lord. My side's open up. Let's hammer down. I gotta get downtown. Lord, look up that mountain. That was back at the 67. I'm at the 66. Whew. Look at here. And that's how accidents happen, right there. Exactly by that minivan being stupid. There goes another minivan. I hope that minivan right there gets stuck on that grass. Get up here right behind this minivan. I should be able to get a license plate shot. Pennsylvania plate.